Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I will do a presentation about our PEAKDEFI fund, about our PEAKDEFI platform, because many people asking, hey, when you do the next video. And yeah, today I want to record a new video for you about the actual PEAKDEFI platform, what happens, how many users we have now, and yeah, some numbers and facts also. And also, of course, about the next steps that we will do. And therefore, I will directly switch to my screen and start with the presentation. So for everybody who don't know PEAKDEFI, so PEAKDEFI is a performance-based decentralized fund driven by the community. And how it works so that you understand it more clearly. So you see that our USP is that we have one DeFi fund. So we don't have many DeFi funds, but anyway, our contracts allows us to create more DeFi funds. But we wanted to start with one performance-based DeFi fund, yeah, where investors can invest in a decentralized way via MetaMask or other wallets on Ethereum, so they can invest into the global DeFi fund. And on the other side, we have the fund managers or the traders who can manage this fund. And of course, you have on the management side some obstacles. So for example, how you can avoid good traders from bad traders. And for this, we have we integrated the function so that the fund manager, he needs first to stake PEAK token to manage the fund, and also he needs to buy reputation token. And these reputation tokens are very essential, so they are not tradable, and each trader need to use this reputation token for each trade he do, yeah. And if he makes a bad performance, then he lose the reputation, and if he do a good performance, then he gains more reputation. And therefore, and so the more reputation token he has, then more he can manage from the global fund, yeah, where the investors invested. And therefore, we have an automatic automatic mechanism via smart contracts that results to a performance-based DeFi fund in the long term, right? Because the smart contracts the contract sorts out the bad traders from the good traders, right? And that's the USP that we have. And also, if profits were generated, these profits will be shared to investors, affiliates, and managers. And this I will also explain in the next slides. But I hope you got the idea how this fully decentralized PEAKDEFI fund is working. Also, just to explain what are the goal is of our DeFi fund. So we want so our solution is we want to disrupt the traditional hedge fund market. So that's the goal. And I mean, if you're in the crypto market or you're a bit familiar in the DeFi market, you see that many projects replacing traditional finance. Like, I mean, if you see the lending protocols like Aave, Compound, and so on, they are much better if you use traditional finance. So, and it's also, you have many advantages. It's borderless, it's faster. You don't need to show everything about yourself. So you just can use as collateral Ethereum or other assets. And yeah, and we want to disrupt the traditional hedge fund market because also we are decentralized. So PEAKDEFI is decentralized. There are no middlemen behind, so everything working fully on smart contracts. There are normally no upfront fees like in the traditional. Only, of course, the only negative right now is the high gas costs, but in the long run, also the gas costs will be very less. And also we have many traders with different strategies, and only the best performance will gain more rep tokens. Also, it's completely transparent by the Ethereum blockchain. So you can see each trade, each invest, each deposit, each withdraw. You can everything see on the blockchain, and that you normally don't have on the traditional hedge fund market. So many things you don't see. Yeah. And of course, again, it working full automatically 24/7 on the blockchain. You have a very and therefore you have nearly zero fees, yeah, because you don't need to pay for bureau employees and so on. And yeah, you can, it is borderless, so it doesn't matter if you live now in Kazakhstan, in South Africa, in Georgia, in United States, it doesn't matter. Yeah. And that's the beauty of DeFi. And this is the niche that PeakDefi chose to solve or to disrupt the traditional hedge fund market. And also all contracts on the PeakDefi fund were audited by QuantStamp, and PeakDefi itself, the mainnet launch was on the 9th of December 2020. So right now it's already the PeakDefi is around 6 months live. And yeah, and PeakDefi achieved quite nice results that I will show you later after the official presentation here. And yeah, what you can do with the PeakDefi fund. So you can use PeakDefi in 3 ways, okay? And so first of all, you can use it as an investor. So you can invest in the DeFi fund managed by the best traders, yeah, like I explained right now. Then you can also staking Peak to receive rewards. So we have also a staking contract which can give you up to 83% or 83% APY, so per year, so rewards per year. And you can also earn on peakdefi.com, so by getting commissions as an affiliate. So you can also act here as an affiliate and earn commissions in USDC or in Peak token. So you have here 3 ways to use the peakdefi.com. And yeah, how the peak staking is working. Yeah. So first of all, around 1 billion peak tokens, so 50% of the total supply can be staked. So, and here you have attractive rewards up to 83% per year. And the bigger, the longer, and the earlier you stake, the more rewards you will get. And that I will show you later. But we have a calculation model here, and therefore with these 3 indicators, you can get up to 83%. And the first point with 1 billion peak token is not the last updated. So there are the 1 billion peak token are only for the Ethereum blockchain, but in March we also we also moved on the Binance Smart Chain. So you can stake Peak token on the Ethereum blockchain and also now on the Binance Smart Chain. And on the Binance Smart Chain, we have around 300 million Peak token reserved for the staking mechanism. So you can use both chains for the peak staking. And for what the peak staking is required. So the staking is required for the fund managers for trading the DeFi fund. And also if you want to participate as an affiliate, then you get also more affiliate rewards if you stake peak token. And the next utility that will be launched in around 1 month is if you stake Peak token, then you can use it as protection for trading losses if the fund makes a negative performance. Yeah, I will explain you later. And also as a governance will be integrated by the end of this year, which you also can participate as a Peak token staker. All right. And also, yeah, here you see the utility for the affiliates or the reward plan for the affiliates. So you see here, if you don't stake Peak token, then anyway you will get 10% commission in for your direct people that you sponsored. But if you want to get commission up to the 8th level, then you need to stake 10,000 Peak tokens. So if you stake 10,000 Peak token, then you can you receive commission or rewards into the 8th level in your downline, and you're receiving for two scenarios you're receiving commission. So first, you get reward for the peak staking on the future staked amount. So if a user stakes Peak token that you sponsored, then he will receive a future staked amount, and for this you get a commission. And also you get a reward from the profit of the investments into the DeFi fund if the fund is profitable. So if you refer a person that invested 10,000 USDC into the fund and the fund makes 10% profit, so $1,000, then you will receive from this $1,000 100 USDC if he's your direct referral on the profit. Okay, so shortly said, and that onto the 8th level. So if you build a great community around you, so it's especially for affiliates with email lists, YouTubers, very attractive. Yeah. And yeah, here you see again an example. I won't not go too detailed in it. You can see, so if you as an example, so if you have a refer partner A and partner A refers P2 and so on, and let's say everybody of them would get after 1,000 days 20,000 Peak token stake, then the upfront commission is the following. Yeah, and you can see if P1 you will get 2,000 Peak, and right now the Peak token is around 30 cents. So you can calculate how it is, and also you can get a passive commission. So if the fund is profitable, like I explained right now. So in summary, you can get up to the 8th level, you can receive 20% commission. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can also comment down below how it works. And additionally to that, we have not only the normal affiliate reward bonuses, we also have like a career bonuses where you can become a super affiliate. So the more points you generate by peak staking rewards and by investing rewards, the more these V points you get, and the more you can go up in the career rank, and then you get additionally a bonus in Peak token based on USDC. So for example, if you want to reach the 3rd level, the 3rd rank, you need to have 750 DSV plus direct rookie members, and then you will receive 600 USD, 600 you will receive Peak token in worth of 600 USDC. Yeah, so that's how it works. And yeah, so also very attractive, because you can get up to the 8th rank over 70,000 or maybe over 80,000 if I calculate right. Yeah, over 70,000 USDC in summary, and that's of course life changing for many people. And yeah, which partner and protocol PEAKDEFI is using? So we have here 5 projects or 5 protocols that we are using. We're using the Kyber network for example, for the fund managers that can do trades. We use 1inch for exchanging, for all exchanging things. We use the graph where we integrated all our implemented all our contract, and with the graph we use the graph for showing the whole front end in an easy way. Also Uniswap, of course, as price oracle and Compound for leverage trades. So these are the protocols, and they are one of the best protocols that we are using for PEAKDEFI. Also, you see here the peak DeFi, the peak distribution. So the total supply is 2 billion peak. And like I told before, the token is required for the fund managers for trading the funds, for getting more affiliate commissions, for get more staking rewards, protection staking, and governance, which will coming soon, that I will show you later. And also the peak token is already listed on 6 top exchanges. No, normally more. We are listed, the peak token is listed on 7. It's an old slide. So we are listed on Probit, Uniswap, 1inch, Bbox, Balancer, Mooniswap not exist anymore. So then additionally on PancakeSwap, on Bakery Swap, yeah, and Sushi Swap also. Yeah, these 8 exchanges, the peak token is listed right now. And of course, the goal is to get listed on a tier 1 exchange by the end of the year. So like Binance, Huobi, or OKX, where we're working on. Yeah, and you can check this also here. So I go to CoinMarketCap, and you can see here that PEAKDEFI is now on rank 346 of all tokens of at CoinMarketCap. So it's already a great achievement. And also here you see then that we are audited by QuantStamp. So you can just directly click here, and you see the official certificate of QuantStamp. You see here above, it's directly on QuantStamp. It's a 10 sites report. You can check it on yourself. So everything is transparent and audited. And yeah, and here you can also see all the exchanges that we are listed. Yeah, so if I click here on see all markets, you see here Balancer, Bakery Swap, Bbox, 1inch, Pancake, Probit, Uniswap. I am a bit wondering why Sushi Swap is not here, but we are also listed on Sushi Swap. Yeah, so I think they are just not tracking it, but you can check directly on Sushi Swap that we are also listed there. So yeah, you see everything is transparent, everything you see is audited. You can also check here that we are on, yeah, we can directly go into that. So we can go to, let me check. So let's go to ETH scan. Let's go to Binance BSC scan. And you see already that Peak DeFi has already on the Ethereum blockchain over 7,500 holders, and already over 115,000 transfers, and that's already very good for a DeFi protocol that just launched on December. And yeah, so, and you see a lot of transactions are happening. And also you see here that we are tagged as DeFi. We have the DeFi tag. And also on the BSC scan, you see that we have here a bit less token holders, so 6,600. But anyway, already with the Ethereum holders, we have over 13,000 token holders. But here we have over 250,000 transactions. And yeah, you see here we have much more, because yeah, of course the gas costs are here much less right now on the Binance Smart Chain. Therefore, more people using the Binance Smart Chain right now. And the great thing is on Binance Smart Chain that we are ranked on the 5th place on all DeFi projects at Binance Smart Chain. And you see, yeah, we have already here a market cap of 66 million with the peak token, and that's great results that I can show you right now after 6 months. Yeah, and yeah, so let's go to the presentation back again. And yeah, let's talk about protection staking, which will launch in around 1 month or more. The contracts also are already audited by Hack&IO that you can also see on CoinMarketCap. And yeah, how protection staking is working. So let me explain it by a simple chart. So you see here two charts, yeah, and you see that the line at the bottom representing the trading cycles, and the Y line, the Y, so the profit, yeah. And you see, so which chart you like more? Of course, you like more the green one, right? And the green one will be possible with the protection staking, because the blue line represent maybe the reality, because you have sometimes profitable trading cycles and sometimes you have negative trading cycles. There are no hedge fund out there, or no fund out there that only do profits, so it's impossible, right? But imagine if in case of a negative trading cycle, of a negative performance by 1 month maybe, yeah, imagine that you will get protection by getting peak token, right? And this is how it works. So every time if the fund makes a negative performance, you get peak token staked or minted on your Ethereum address if you are invested in the Peak DeFi fund. And this is really, really amazing. So you have a fund where you, yeah, where you never make losses, right? So carefully explained, yeah. Of course, you also depending a bit from the peak token price, but this is a great utility that we never saw by our other project. And yeah, this will launch in around 1 month. So it's explained what is protection staking is a smart contract method that rewards the user if the fund make a negative performance in a peak DeFi trading cycle. It's like a coverage of trading losses, right? And yeah, and like I told, we additionally moved the staking contracts to the Binance Smart Chain. So it's a huge benefit since March. So we got much more users, much more transfers, which I already showed you on BC Scan. And yeah, that's it. So which things will coming soon? So like I told, protection staking will come next month or August. And yield farming, we still not started, yeah. And that's, so you need to know that the yield farming contracts are also already ready. We they are also audited, so everything is ready. But the market crash occurs, and because of the market crash right now, not many people looking for altcoins, or don't they just so the sentiment is very bearish right now, and they only look at the Bitcoin price. And therefore we just waiting here. As soon the market is here more bullish, we will start with the yield farming contract, so we can start within 2 days. That's not a problem. But we're waiting for a more bullish sentiment. Yeah, so that's it. And yeah, and in Q3 we will integrate NFTs also on Peak DeFi. So yeah, it's will be great. So stay tuned, and yeah, a lot of things will happen this year. And yeah, let's go directly to the peakdefi.com. So I will also show you directly everything how to use this protocol. So if you go to peakdefi.com, yeah, this is the homepage that you will see. And now you can choose. So if you want invest into the Peak DeFi fund, then it works on Ethereum. So you can click here. And if you want to stake Peak token, you can do this on Ethereum network or on Binance Smart Chain. So, and also great thing, the whole peakdefi.com platform is already translated in 9 languages. So also for everyone around there, you can use it in that many languages. Okay, so also if you scroll below, you can also check the white paper, you can check the vision, the mission, you can see the audits, so the QuantStamp audit, which I showed you already. We also have an app that you can download, and also staking and in the app directly. So you can download it for iOS or Android. Yeah. So let's go into it. So I click on invest, and yeah, I need to change my wallet. So, and that's how it looks like. You see here with the account, I invested 3,000 USDC, and here you already see the performance of the PEAKDEFI Global Fund, and the performance is right now 19.13%, because the share price started with $1. And right now, the trading cycle, so here you see we have a trading cycle that goes 27 days and then 3 days of intermission phase. And here you always see how much days are left until we go into the intermission phase. Okay. Here also you see that 15% of the profit goes to the fund managers, 20% of the profit to the affiliates, and the rest, so the 65%, goes as profit to the investors. And yeah, how you can invest, it's very easy. You go just to buy, and now you can invest with USDC, but you can also invest with other assets. So you can also invest with Ethereum if you want. And if you choose choose the amount you want to invest, then you just click on buy fund shares, and then your MetaMask popping up, and you can directly make the payment, right? So I will not do now because I invested already, but that's simple how it is. Only 2 clicks and you can invest into the DeFi fund. And that's amazing. That's amazing. If you imagine what you need to do, if you want to invest in a good traditional hedge fund, it's really easy in an easy way. Okay. Also, you see here all your transactions, the history. So here you see the performance of the PEAKDEFI fund in the last month. So you see +2, then -10, +21, +4, -3, plus nearly 1. And yeah, so definitely a good performance. And the goal, of course, is that the PEAKDEFI fund makes you around 50 to 100% on USDC per year. So that's the goal I hope that the PEAKDEFI fund will achieve. So let's go to staking. Here you see staking, and yeah, here you see all the staked amount that I did, and also you can easily stake by just clicking on stake. And here you see on the right side how it works. Yeah, so you see here the bigger bonus, the longer bonus, the early bonus. So the earlier you stake, then you have here a factor that you get. And then you see here the APY rewards that you will get per year. Okay. And also referral rewards. So if you got sponsored by a person, then you also will get a 3% bonus, right? And let's try it out right now. So if I want to, let's say, invest 10,000 peak token, yeah, then no, 10,000 peak token, then you see how the bigger bonus is changing, right? If I want to stake 100,000 peak token, then it goes more up. And then it also depends from the time. So if you want to stake only 10 days, then you see the longer bonus, what you will receive, 1.5%. If you want to get 100 days, then it's already more. So then your APY rewards will be 55%. But if you decide to stake 1,000 days, then already your APY is 71%, right? If you decide to stake 100 peak token, then your APY is 70%. And here you can play around and make your own decision what is best for you. And I think that's a really nice benefit for everyone. Okay, so that's if you're staking peak. Also, we have here the third section, that's the earning section, if you're acting as an affiliate. And here you see with this account, this is an example account. Here you can see how many referrals you can get. You have up to the 8th level, how many commissions you received in USDC, and how many commissions you received in peak, right? And here you see also that all levels are active because, yeah, I staked with this account, or this account staked over 10,000 peak token. And here you see every commission that you receive by which level. Yeah, everything is transparent on the blockchain, right? Everything, right? So let's say I click here on this user. You see right now all the commission that goes to each user, and that's amazing, right? That's really, really amazing. Everything transparent and on the smart contracts. And this is how it works. And also, if you're using Binance Smart Chain, you can click here also on Binance Smart Chain. You need just to switch everything, and here we go. Here you have the same thing. Yeah, but here on the Binance Smart Chain, you cannot invest with USDC because the investing part is still on Ethereum blockchain. We just moved the staking contracts additionally on the Binance Smart Chain. So, and therefore many people using the staking more on Binance Smart Chain because of the lower gas fees right now. Yeah, and that's it. So you see here the same thing. Everything is working, and yeah, so that's how PeakDefi yeah, works. And yeah, if you have any questions, you can comment below. And if you want to try out the platform, just try it out. So go to peakdefi.com and just start to stake or start to invest. Or if you are an affiliate or with a bigger community, yeah, if you are a YouTuber or something else, if you are a trader, then just try the platform out and yeah, make your own experience. And that's how PeakDefi is working. So hope you like this video. If you liked it, then leave a thumb up and follow our YouTube channel to not miss out any informations, any updates in the future. And yeah, that's it. So thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.